In order to apply to this regime, you need to cease being a foreign tax resident. So if you are a Canada citizen and you want to apply to this regime, you have to cease being a tax resident in Canada. So I
Meaning you
know,
need to live more than 6 months in Mexico, correct?
yes, yeah, in Canadian law, you need to cease being a tax resident under Canadian law in order to apply
Ah, it's
for
more
this regime.
complicated. You need to
Yeah,
cease all your ties with the country. But it's a
yeah. I mean,
process.
you can be a Canadian citizen, but you have to cease being a Canadian tax resident. For Americans, that they're always a tax resident, they
Ah,
always
yes.
tax here.
But
Yeah,
it's in any country, in any other countries, they have this. At least you mentioned double taxation treaties, and I know
yeah,
that they exist between Mexico and United States and Mexico and Canada. And I believe that these treaties are helping kind of to lower the tax burden. Yes.
yes, yes. For instance, earnings from credit loans, earnings from real estate investments, earnings from different types of investments, they tend to usually be lower under the tax treaties than under Mexican regulations. So you could apply for this tax benefit under the convention. For instance, if Mexico regulates 25% tax for real estate income, capital gains from selling a house here in Mexico, and the treaty says 15%, you are able to apply what the treaty says. So you're able to save 10% of taxes, right? Through this operation, for instance. So it's a great option to have knowledge of the tax treaties and to know how to apply them.